Hi, going to show you how I made this broccoli and apple soup in the Ninja Soup Maker. So I added a quartered onion, 2 peeled cloves of garlic, then I popped the lid on and I used the chop function to chop it all up for me. Just find it a bit easier that way. I added 2 Granny Smith apples, but you can use any type of apple. Then I added the broccoli. Don't worry about going over the max line, but just try and leave a little bit of space at the top if you can. Then I added some salt and pepper, followed by a vegetable stock pot, or you could use a cube instead, or your own vegetable stock. So I like to add hot water straight from the kettle, as I think it helps the ingredients soften up enough so that the soup is lovely and smooth. But I know plenty of people who use cold water, so you can go with that option too. Next, you're going to set the soup maker off on smooth, and it will take 30 minutes to cook for you. At the end, carefully take the lid off because it's going to be really hot, the hot steam coming out, and then give it a little taste test and give it some extra seasoning if needed. Pour it out into a bowl, or you can save it for later. I hope you enjoyed this soup maker recipe. You can check the description for links to print out the recipe as well as my soup maker recipe books.